5 Storage ideas for small kitchen. 1. Add shelving to your backsplash. The first storage idea for small kitchen is adding shelving to your backsplash. Backsplash usually gives new nuance to your kitchen. Actually, backsplash is also a good spot to create shelves. By using glass or woods, you can add mounted shelves on your backsplash. It will save spaces in your kitchen. Shelves on backsplash can be used for storing some kitchen utensils, such as plate, glass, and many more. It will also make you easier to grab kitchen utensil you need. 2. Add a plate rack to the wall. If you have a small kitchen, you just need to know main trick for saving space in your kitchen. The main trick is using wall area to create useful rack or shelves. The example is plate rack. On the wall, plate rack is solution to save spaces in your kitchen. It is also the best way to use wall area as storage for storing plate. With on the wall plate rack, your kitchen will look tidy. 3. Squeeze in floating shelves. You may often see floating shelves in kitchen and other room. Actually, floating shelves is the best way to save spaces in your kitchen. For you who have a small kitchen, you can try this idea as soon as possible. You can create floating shelves of various materials, such as wood, iron, and other materials. Use your floating shelves for storing kitchen utensils, such as glass, plate, jar, and many more. 4. Add cabinets above the window. You may feel some frustration when having so many kitchen utensils but don't have enough storage in your small kitchen. Don't worry because of it. There are still many ways to create storage in your small kitchen, such as adding cabinets above the window. Yes, area above the window can be used for adding cabinets. Finally, you can use cabinets above the windows for storing various kitchen utensils. It will make your kitchen looks larger and more elegant than before. 5. Make your countertop double duty. Other recommendation for you is making your countertop do double duty. You may use your countertop to prepare ingredients for cooking. How about countertop that can be storage too? For example, you can create countertop which is an integrated bowl. It can be used for storing some ingredients. The ingredients will not spread or fall. Finally, you can save little space in your kitchen.